Hi, I'm Wendy Cicchetti, astrologer, and I wanted to jump on for just a few minutes today and to talk about some things that I feel are important that might be helpful to you. I'm going to be doing another video with Misty on the 6th of March, but I'm going to do this one by myself today. So I wanted to talk to you today about change. The world is changing very rapidly, and big changes are coming, and some of them may come very unexpectedly. And when that happens, it threatens stability and makes people insecure. So change is inevitable. It is unavoidable. So rather than dreading the change, it is best to learn how to navigate it and make the most out of it. So let's see how each sign, astrological sign, deals with change, okay? So we'll start with Aries. First of all, I'll tell you that fire signs and air signs handle change much more easily than earth, and water is just a mixed bag. So I'll let you know what all those are. So we'll start out first with Aries. Aries is a fire sign, and Aries likes change. And so it goes so fast that it doesn't really even pay attention to it. It just adapts and just keeps moving on its goals. Now, Taurus, an earth sign, is very different. Taurus is not comfortable with change, likes things comfortable and predictable. Only when they see the benefits will they accept it. And now Gemini. Gemini is an air sign, and Gemini is so versatile. They love change, they encourage it, and it prevents them from getting bored. They're very fickle. And so Cancer, which is a water sign, Cancer likes routine and knowing what to expect. They need to talk about their feelings about it to ease into it. Cancer is very feeling oriented. So the next is Leo, a fire sign, and they like change that they can control. If it's beyond their control, they resist it at first. But when it's inevitable, they will face it head on. Now the next is Virgo, an earth sign. Unexpected change can really stress Virgos out. They're very OCD, and change can knock them off their game, off their routine. They don't like that. If they can prepare for it in advance, then they can handle it better. But oftentimes that won't be possible. So the next is Libra, and Libra is an air sign, very happy air sign. Libras like change to shake things up. If for the environment or other people's lives, it doesn't, it's all fine. However, if it affects them personally, they're not fans of it. The next is Scorpio, water sign. Scorpios can also deal with change when they can control it, one of the most controlling of the signs. If not, they feel anxiety and out of balance. So they need to focus on it and see it without emotion. That's the best way for Scorpios to handle it. Now, Sagittarius is another fire sign, and they love change. It keeps them excited and energized. If change doesn't happen fast enough, they'll usually help it along. They like it so well. They're always on the move, Sagittarians. Capricorn, another earth sign. Now they're kind of different. They're split about it. Some of the time they work to create change that's good, that they feel is helpful. And then at other times, their stubborn side likes to stay with tradition. Now, Aquarius is an air sign, and Aquarians are good with change. They are great innovators and know it must happen for things to improve. They use logic to deal with change. And last is Pisces. They are very good with change. They're like water, like the ocean, in and out and in, and they need to think about it carefully though, as they might make changes not in their best interest. They may leap too fast into something that may not be good for them. So, all of us need to get comfortable with change, whatever it takes, and learn to adapt and grow with it and get used to it and accept it, because it's coming. We are reaching the zenith of global change, which the astrology has been setting up for several years. There are a few things I want you to be aware of as more big reveals are forthcoming. First, watch the waters. This means oceans, streams, rivers, and our drinking water. Much will be revealed from it. Now, Pisces, Neptune in Pisces, which we have by transit now, is the ruler of the water, okay? And so there is a lot more going on underneath the water than we have any idea about. It will reveal its secrets. So soon we will know. Then the second is watch the skies, also ruled by Neptune. As we have seen of late, there are so many things happening above us. We are being tricked and distracted by the strange things in the skies. Planes grounded, objects being shot out of the sky. What is going on is bigger than what we know at this time. In March, be careful of air travel. There could be significant problems in that area. Saturn moves into Pisces on the 7th of March, which means 4 planets will be in Pisces. There will be the Sun and Venus, Saturn, and then Mercury. And what does Mercury represent? Communication about what Pisces represents and what's going on in the skies and in the water. So that will reveal issues. Those planets will reveal issues of significance, okay? Third, train derailments and explosions and big chemical spills and fires that are polluting our skies and our water. Now, Mars rules fires, and Mars also is the ruler of Aries, okay? Now we have Jupiter in Aries, and what does Jupiter do? It makes everything bigger, more explosive, everything to do with Mars and Aries. It makes it all bigger. And so Mars and Aries rule fires, explosions, war, anger, fighting, all of that stuff. And so we can see how there's been a huge uptick in those things recently. So what we want to do is don't believe what we are being told. It's all smoke and mirrors. All of us who question everything are keeping our ear to the ground, going, is this really all about? Okay, so we want to be watchful and not believe the things that we are being told. Another thing that's important during these very chaotic times is that you pray, stay in faith, stay close to the God of your understanding. If you feel impressed to read the scriptures or any other inspirational text, do it. This is the time to keep your frequency high. And those spiritual practices like praying and reading scriptures does keep your frequency high. So that's very important. So that's the meat of what I wanted to tell you. But by the way, I am going to be doing a workshop in March. So I want to know what you would like me to cover. What would you like to learn from me? I want to get your feedback on that. And I'm thinking of doing a live Q&A, in which case, what questions would you like to ask me? So be sure and let me know your feelings about those. I'll have all of the links below the video, okay? Email me your responses. And if you're struggling, be sure and book a reading with me, and I can help you through these struggles and help you find your way. So please like and subscribe. Some people are asking how to get onto my Rumble channel, and it's Wendy's Wisdom on rumble.com. Okay. So love and blessings to all of you, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.